on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Tonight, mostly clear. Cold with lows in the upper 30s. North winds around 5 miles an hour, shifting to the southeast after midnight. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 20 miles